Hey everyone, today the rain is really strong. Like, look at this. Alright. Oh god, it's already wet. The plant has fallen over. Okay. See guys? There's like stuff everywhere. Oh god, I'm standing on metal. Alright. I'm actually recording on my iPad today. Yeah. I guess the plant is getting a lot of water now. Not that it needed more. Jesus, lightning again. My Jesus was kind of delayed. Oh my god, you can see it on the roofs. Guys, it just, the thunder was just really loud just a second ago, but I couldn't record it because my iPad is being stupid. But, you're blocking the mic. But right here, you could see the, water rushing down the road. See it? And I showed you guys that, on the rooftops. It's even strong. Alright guys, finally I got to start recording again, but my mom had to move this because it kept running in, but yeah. I was trying to say it got really strong, like it's even more stronger. Oh god, the rain just got in my eyes. Wow. Alright guys, alright. There's the plant again. Whoa! Look over there! It's all like brown. Look at all of that. Oh my god, it got really strong then. Oh my god.
Look at all that. Look at that. It is all that dirt.
I know. All the dirt is in the street.
Is that flooded over there? Is the water flooded?
Yeah, it can't drain. I noticed that too. Wow. If I can, guys, I'll put this on the video editor, and if I can get myself getting wet with my phone. But for now, guys, bye, peace out, see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, I recorded that yesterday, but look at this. It's recording, or it's raining even harder today. Look. It's going so fast that the camera can't even pick it up. That's how fast the rain is. I'm not even lying. It is super fast. You guys can't even see it. Oh, now you can. You can see it just barely if you look right. But yeah, in the front yard, the trees are going everywhere. Like the rain just started too. That's messed up. Alright guys, bye, peace out, see you guys in the next video. The rain is so freaking fast. It got even faster. And I was trying to put that in the video editor. Oh my god.